Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. Today, I'm going to show you all of the latest and fully working Rivals codes for the brand new Summer Update 2026. These awesome codes can give you free keys, exclusive rewards, weapon wraps, skins, and many other exciting in-game items completely free. I've collected all of the newest active and recently released Rivals codes available right now, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because you definitely don't want to miss any limited time rewards. Every code featured in this video has been tested and verified to be working after the latest Summer Update 2026. However, some of these codes may expire very soon, so be sure to redeem them as quickly as possible before they disappear. Before we start redeeming all of the new codes, I'm also hosting a special giveaway for Roblox Rivals players. Winners will have a chance to receive free keys, exclusive rewards, premium items, and other amazing prizes. To enter the giveaway, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. Also, make sure you watch the entire video because only active viewers will be eligible to win. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million Robux. And yes, guys, these giveaways are completely real. Many viewers have already received rewards from previous giveaways, and you could be the next winner. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into all of the newest working Roblox Rivals codes from the Summer Update 2026. If you don't know how to redeem codes in Rivals, don't worry because I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open Roblox Rivals and click on the Shop button located at the bottom of your screen. Then select More and click on Codes. Once you scroll down, you'll see the Code Redemption box where you can enter all of the latest codes. Make sure to enter every code exactly as shown on the screen, because some codes are case-sensitive and may not work if entered incorrectly. You can redeem the codes in any order you like, so simply follow along and claim all of your free rewards while they are still available. With that said, let's start redeeming all of the newest and fully working Roblox Rivals codes from the Summer Update 2026 right now.